wants to eat.
Cat wants to eat.
Boy wants to run.
Boy wants to run.
Girl wants to play.
Girl wants to play.
Dog wants to bark.
Dog wants to bark.
Baby wants to sleep.
Baby wants to sleep.
Sun wants to shine.
Sun wants to shine.
Bird wants to fly.
Bird wants to fly.
Fish wants to swim.
Fish wants to swim.
Rabbit wants to hop.
Rabbit wants to hop.
Flower wants to bloom.
Flower wants to bloom.
Baby wants to cry.
Baby wants to cry.
Apple wants to grow.
Apple wants to grow.
Car wants to go.
Car wants to go.
Pen wants to write.
Pen wants to write.
Painter wants to paint a wall.
Painter wants to paint a wall.
Singer wants to sing a song.
Singer wants to sing a song.
Dancer wants to dance.
Dancer wants to dance.
Ollie wants to eat apple.
Ollie wants to eat apple.
Sarah wants to play with a doll.
Sarah wants to play with a doll.
Mom wants to drink coffee.
Mom wants to drink coffee.
Dad wants to work.
Dad wants to work.
Friends wants to play.
Friends wants to play.
Teacher wants to teach.
Teacher wants to teach.
Cook wants to cook food.
Cook wants to cook food.
Customer wants to buy a car.
Customer wants to buy a car.
Engineer wants to design a bridge.
Engineer wants to design a bridge.
Doctor wants to treat patients.
Doctor wants to treat patients.
Student wants to learn math.
Student wants to learn math.
Artist wants to paint a picture.
Artist wants to paint a picture.
Musician wants to play guitar.
Musician wants to play guitar.
Chef wants to bake a cake.
Chef wants to bake a cake.
Traveler wants to explore Paris.
Traveler wants to explore Paris.
Writer wants to write a book.
Writer wants to write a book.
Boy wants to ride a bike.
Boy wants to ride a bike.
Girl wants to read a book.
Girl wants to read a book.
Baby wants to drink milk.
Baby wants to drink milk.
Cat wants to catch a mouse.
Cat wants to catch a mouse.
Dog wants to play fetch.
Dog wants to play fetch.
Farmer wants to grow wheat.
Farmer wants to grow wheat.
Baker wants to make bread.
Baker wants to make bread.